In today's world, flooded with information, how do you make your product rise above everything else and reach a massive audience? The Technomedia Channel Suite stands out as the best solution for digital signage in this new era. And now, taking a huge step forward, the best just got even better. This platform has been specifically designed to become the most powerful communications tool of all time. Imagine the ability to inform, sell, position, educate, and motivate with the most innovative, convincing, and up-to-date content all in real time. Imagine having your own private channel to design and develop your own advertising campaigns, showcasing anything you want, the way you want to, while saving 95% of your time and money in the design, production, distribution, and installment procedures. With a Technomedia channel, you can make this come true. Imagine no longer having to pay for inefficient POP materials that quickly become outdated. This platform turns your imagination into reality. Make yourself visible to the specific segments you want to be seen by. With the Technomedia Channel Suite, you own the infrastructure and the possibility to show your products to the specific audience they were designed for in every one of your points of sale, with no time limits or content restrictions, and absolutely no transmission fees whatsoever. Make Technomedia Channel an extension of your creativity and your key strategic ally. This integral solution in communication is the ultimate in technology. Once developed, it travels through the web, reaching any place you want and need to reach. Just design your content and it's immediately ready. Now, send it out to as many screens as you want to, 10, 100, or 1,000, whatever it takes, and show it to the world right away. Upgrade or redesign content whenever you feel like it. And send it out everywhere with just a click, all in real time and ready for your audience. Become a part of this new generation of mass transmission, already a sweeping trend in the world. Make this experience work for you. Open your eyes to the possibilities. No limits, no boundaries. The signs are everywhere, and they're driven by this amazing tool. A new future is finally here. Don't look back. Technomedia Channel.